Hey everyone, welcome to our video, where we believe in making conscious choices for a sustainable future. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to dispose of an old vacuum cleaner. Let's dive in. Before we get started, it's important to note that simply throwing your old vacuum cleaner in the trash can harm the environment. Instead, we encourage you to follow these steps for responsible and eco-friendly disposal. Clean and donate. First, clean your vacuum cleaner thoroughly, ensuring that it's in good condition. If it still works fine, consider donating it to a local charity, shelter, or thrift store. By giving it a new home, you're extending its lifespan and reducing waste. Many organizations accept gently used appliances, and your old vacuum cleaner can make a difference in someone else's life. Check manufacturer's guidelines. If your vacuum cleaner is beyond repair or donation, check the manufacturer's guidelines. Some companies have take-back programs or recycling initiatives in place. Visit their website or contact their customer support to learn more about these options. By following the manufacturer's recommendations, you can ensure that your old vacuum cleaner is disposed of properly, preventing any potential harm to the environment. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.